Hi friends, welcome to the video. In the previous video, we have discussed about HomeTab clipboard functions, right? So now in this video, we are going to discuss about HomeTab font group functionalities. Those are how to change font face style and how to select a standard size, how to increase font size, how to decrease font size, and also about bold, italic, underline, borders, fill color or text background color, and this is for text color or font color, right? So let us start with the font face. You may see that by default in Excel application the Calibri font face has been selected. If you want to change font face, I repeat, if you want to change font face, here we are not going to change font, we are going to change font face only, right? So here by default you may see that the font face which is selected is that is Calibri, and I'm going to select one more cell to show a difference of different types of font styles. So I'm selecting one more cell and simply click on handler of font style. So whenever you click on this handler, system is going to display the list of font face styles that are available in the system. So here I'm going to select the font face as Algerian, and now you may see the difference between the Calibri font face and the Algerian font face. Once again I'm going to move. So here whenever you click on the handler, system displays the list of font face styles, and by using this drag down function you also can browse your respective or your wanted style, and whenever you like the any font face, simply select the font face and click. So automatically the font face will get changed. And not only by using this browsing option, if you know any font face name, instead of browsing from all the font face styles, directly you also can type the spell of the font face name, then press enter. So this is how easy that we can change font face styles in MS Excel. So next we are going to learn about how to select a standard size. Now the size is 11. If you want to make it 18 or if you want to make it 24, so likely if you want to select any standard sizes, then simply select the cell or select the range and simply go to the size handler. So whenever you click on the handler, system is going to display some standard sizes that are mostly used across the Microsoft Office applications. So here there is some standard sizes are given, but however even by using these size increaser function you also can access your manual sizes, right? And this is used to decrease your size levels. And not only like this, if you need any exact font size, for example now here there is no 10, there is 10 is available, there is 11 is, but I would like to access 10.5. so even in that case also, instead of searching from this by using these buttons, you also can directly type 10.5, then press enter, then automatically system take up the respective. So as per your requirement, whether you need a 10, 11 or 20, you also can use the buttons to increase and to decrease the font size, or else you also can select the standard sizes. Or not only this, you also can enter directly, you also can give directly your respective size option also, right? So this is how it works. So next we are going to understand about the bold. What is bold? Is very simple. Bold is just to make your text bold, is also known as thick, right? So now for example, now here I'm going to write some text, Mohan, Krishna, Shekhar. So out of these three names I would like to highlight Krishna. So how you can highlight? By making a bold characters, right? So simply from this text here I'm going to select Krishna here, simply select Krishna and press Ctrl+B. Now this time I have selected only Krishna to make a bold, but this time here I'm going to select a whole cell and then again click on bold, and the shortcut key would be around Ctrl+B. So here you also can select individual characters from a cell, or you also can select some group of characters from a range of cells. That is your choice. And yes, Ctrl+B is used to activate the bold. Again Ctrl+B is used to deactivate, to apply it and to remove it. Ctrl+B is for bold. And next one is that italic, and italic is used to make characters italic. That's it, the 15-degree vertical. And next one is that we have the underline. Yes, in Excel application but in the past Excel application like 2010 2007 we have a chance to access a number of likely dotted underlines, dashed underlines, curved underlines, but now this time we have only two underlines level, that is a single underline and one more is that double underline. Simply click on the underline handler, there you can access single underline, again double underline, that is your choice. But in the newer version we cannot access dashed or dotted or curved underlines, right? Remember it. And the shortcut key would be Ctrl plus U is for underline, Ctrl plus U is to activate the underline, again Ctrl plus U to deactivate the underline. Next one that we have is that borders. Here I am going to use this space to show the borders. Now you may see that there is only cells is there, there is a cells with rows and columns, there is no special borders, right? If you want to show this is not a cell, this is a table, then you need to insert the borders, right? So such kind of cases, simply click on the border handler, and system allows you to even to add bottom only. See, if you select bottom border, the border will be selected only at bottom of this range. Okay, once again I'm going to select the same range. I'm going to show you one more thing. There's many types of borders. Here you may see that no border, all borders, outside thick borders. Now all borders is given with a thick characters, and yes, you also can access all border option as well. Yes. And not only this, now the border color is what? Now this border color is given with black, right? You also can change the border color as well. Simply just go to the border handler and select a line color and select your respective color. Here now you may see the difference. Now the black color is going to replace with a red color. Once again I'm selecting a different color. So when you click on line color, the color picker will be selected into the mouse hand. So wherever you are clicking on, automatically the color will be dropped there. And to leave this pencil, to leave this color dropper, press escape. Right. And next we will be discussing about the text highlighter or text background color, or also known as fill color. And this feature allows you to add a color to the text background but not to the text. Here you may see that Microsoft Excel is having with the black color, right? Now I would like to change the background color from white to red. So here now what is the background color? The background color is white. So here I'm going to select a color as red. Now you may see the difference. The white color has been replaced with the red color. So this fill color option is used to highlight a text, is used to show a color in the text background but not to the text. And next we have the one more option, that is the font color, and this function allows you to add a color to the text, to the font. And now here the background color is red and the font color is black. Now here I would like to change the font color from black to red. So simply click on font color handler. I'm selecting white color. Now you may see that the color has been changed. So this is how the font group functions works. Thank you. In the next video, we are going to understand about HomeTab alignment group functionalities. Thank you.